it's Leanna, your communications coordinator. I'm here with Jason, our WSR Aquatics engineer, and we're here today to learn more about WSR Aquatics, what they do, and who they are here at the Lagoon as we get ready for peak season for the summer. So Jason, talk to me. What does WSR Aquatics do, and who are you guys?
We have a 6-man team that's year-round. We do hire 3 additional seasonal for the summertime because of the extra workload that we have. Our job is the water quality. We do the cleanups, we do the filtration, repair and maintenance on all the equipment that's involved in that.
Who are all the staff members that make up the WSR Aquatics department?
Well, we have Corey Rhodes, who is the director of WSR Grounds. Myself, I'm the aquatics engineer and the manager of the aquatics team. We have an assistant manager, Tanner, who is also our mechanical engineer. We have then 4 staff members who act as our operators for the cart and rotate between that, controlling the pumps and doing brush outs.
Awesome. Talk to us about a day in the life as an aquatics engineer and your daily duties.
The guys start out every morning by brushing all the sand up off the beaches that gets in there, whether it be from weather, from guests. It takes a couple hours to get all that up and cleaned out. Then they move on, they kind of split into separate teams. We'll have one team that goes around and cleans all the walls all the way around the lagoon and brushes all the material out toward the center where the cart can get out and actually vacuum up that debris and clean it up. That's the primary duties. In the background, we have people doing maintenance. We're going over different pumps, making sure they're running the flow that they're supposed to. So I keep us busy.
So Jason, last question. As we get ready for peak season, what should residents know about keeping the lagoon clean?
Well, the cart operation is the primary part of that. The cart goes around, it's operated by a controller, by remote, and it goes around, it cleans everything up off the bottom of the lagoon that gets settled there. Whether it be sand, whether it be pollen, whether it be toys that somebody has left in here, bottles and so on. The communication between the cart operator and the cart does get interrupted occasionally by drones, and that shuts everything down. We have to start all over again. So we try to avoid having drones over the water. That's kind of an important thing to us and something to keep in mind for residents. Once the water goes up that hose line that you see there, it returns to our maintenance facility and ends up in our filtration system. A lot of people ask, well, why can't we clean up when we get one of these windstorms? Why we can't clean up all the sand in one day? There's 2 limitations. One is the amount of suction that the cart has because of safety issues, so nobody gets stuck under it. And the other one is that filtration system. Once the filter fills up, we have to basically stop for about 8 to 12 hours to let it all settle so that we can clean that water out and return it to the lagoon and then clean out that filtration system. So there's a couple limitations, but we do a pretty good job of keeping up as much as we can.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys. Stay tuned for our next video as we continue learning more about the lagoon, getting ready for summer 2025.